Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about what do you need to know now for your own good, what is good for you, what is going to happen, who is doing what to you. Okay, there's two piles like ever, and this is the pile number one and this is pile number two. Whichever you are attracted most, you choose that pile. I'm going towards my reading number one. Okay, for those who choose the pile number one with this crystal swan reading, your reading is maybe you have losing the money over here. You have no happy home life, or maybe this is due to your money matter, because of your money matter, some kind of money situation. Yes, something is not good over here because of your own decisions. You are not able to take good advices, good steps, and maybe you are attracted to someone, or some sexual problem over here. Something is over here. Because of that, your home life is not good. You are not making the good decision, or you are not able to defend your family. You are fighting with them and something like this. Okay, and with six of swords, this is going to end right now. This is going to end. This is happening for a long time, and now this is going to end, and you are leaving this situation, this bad thing, this bad situation, and you are going towards your happiness, your good thing, good time. But this is also once again, this is stuck over here. You have to take the time, but this situation will take time to move from somewhere, to move from somebody, to change your home or something. Okay, and with this two of pentacles, you are juggling two things. Maybe uh, this is the situation that you are juggling between two things. You have to decide between two things: money, job, or family, or someone else, family or religion, something. You are juggling over here, and due to this situation you are in some kind of danger. I think so. You are some kind of danger. Someone here is not good for you. He is explaining, he or she is explaining the bad things to you. He is whispering, telling you the bad things. Okay, and uh, with this card, King of Swords upside down, you are not able to cut that person who is not good for you from your life, or you are not rude to them. You are not that wise. You are twice. There's the cards that tells that you are not so wise to do it. Okay, Page of Cups. This is childlike situation, and you are enjoying. You are thinking about someone. Okay, maybe you are not going to marry. You want to marry, and this is not happening. That because of something, or because of some person, they are not letting you do that. Okay, and you are not enjoying over here. You are still thinking about someone. No, you are not thinking about anyone now. You are fed of it. Okay, and now you know that how can you change that thing. But you are not stuck over here. You can change it. How do you do it? What is good for you? Where you have to go now? But this is not the justice. You are not doing the justice. This is the wrong thing. This is not the good thing to do. um, Whatever you are doing over here, I think you want to leave that person, but this is not the good thing to do. Okay, Earth of Wands. Okay, once again, this situation takes time, and you have the time now. You have to decide thoroughly. You have to decide. You have the time, and you have to decide wisely now. Once again, there is the Empress also upside down. I think you have no money, no time, no one to care about you, or you are not feeling these responsibilities towards others. Yes, you have, you don't love anyone, or no one loves you now. Okay, this could be the one. Okay, they are telling you this is the only person, this your wife, your husband, this is the only person for you. You have already met the romantic partner you seek, and this is the person for you. But you are saying you don't love them, you don't feel any responsibilities to them. This is not good, this is the bad. There is advice for you. You have to know that this is not the good thing to do towards them. They are good person for you. This could be the one. Okay, but you have to save for your bad time. If you want to make some money, you have to save some money for your bad time, or you have to save this relationship for your bad time. Okay, this is relation wants needs hard work. Okay, you have to do something for this. Okay, stress of ultimately release your power. They are saying to you that you have to, telling you that you have to release your anger, your will to do something bad towards them. um, yes, to take revenge. These all things you have to leave this thing, but you are not leaving it because this card is upside down. And strong angel, fusion of beliefs, styles, attitudes, energies. And this card is also upside down. There is no fusion of these things. They are like you. They are your soulmate maybe. They are good for you. Don't leave them. Okay. I want to put some more cards for you here. You have got the you deserve love, you are lovable, but this is upside down because you are not thinking at the right perspective. You are not thinking still, and you are not doing going to you are not want to do anything towards them. You're not feeling any responsibilities towards them, and you want to only leave them. You have no love for them. That's why you does not you does not deserve love over here. If you do something good to do, if to them, if you are feeling your responsibilities, then you deserve your love. There's you are the one you who don't deserve any love or any goodness. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. You have to um, you have to ask for support towards your friends from your friends, and they will help you. You can decide, get advice from them, or maybe some mentors, some tarot readers, or mediums. You need them. Okay, about this situation. This is not good to leave them. They are good for you. They are in love with you, or they are better for you. Okay, don't leave them. You are the one who needs change. You have to change. You have to change your own self. Okay, this situation needs your own changing. Okay, if you want to know something more about this situation, please go and watch my previous readings, and subscribe and press the bell icon for my new readings. You can get something from these readings. Okay, with lots of love, with lots of and please subscribe, like, share and subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my reading number 2. For those who choose the reading number 2 or this silver motorcycle keychain, your reading is the person you are not happy with at the past, in the past. Now you are happy with that person or that situation. You are happy with something now. Okay, and with this card, you are not going to cut them out from your life. You are not going to leave them. You are not leaving them. You are happy with this situation as it is. Queen of Wands, but you are also You're also not giving your uh, you're not also not performing your responsibilities over here. You're not giving uh, happiness, child, money or something. You, if you, maybe you don't have these things over here, or you are not giving these things to somebody else, or maybe this is also the situation that at this time, at this crisis time of corona, you are you don't have any family, you don't have any um, food or money, but you are still happy with this situation. Okay. Knight of Swords. Now you have the Knight of Swords over here. You you want to do something fastly, okay, but this is stuck over here. This is not going anywhere. This thing is stuck over here. Okay, with this the Empress card upside. Now you are feeling the responsibility is your responsibility is to do something for others, to give them the food, the care, your love, anything, but which you are not giving at that time. Now you are giving them these things, okay. And with the Page of Swords, you are not telling them the lie, you are not lying to them, you are not deceiving them, not betraying them. And with this thing, when you do, you feel your responsibilities, you are not betraying them, you are not telling them the lie. Your love life going to increase, going to expand. You have lots of love now, but this situation is moving very slowly, okay. This situation is moving very slowly. This will happen, um, happen, but it takes time. And you don't have the strength or the power for this, to wait for them, to wait for that thing. But you have no burden also over your shoulders. You are stressless or burdenless, because you know what you have to do. You plan what you have to do. That's why you are stressless, that's why you are happy. You know what you have to do. You prepare your mind to give them your love, your everything. Unrequired love, this is the unrequired love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relation going. Maybe you are giving them all the things and they are not giving you anything, or maybe this is at first that this is the unrequired love, but now it's going to change. Okay, now I get that thing, that you are not giving them anything and you are thinking about someone else, and that's why they are, this is the unrequired love, and there is a separation card. You are going to separate with it, and you are happy with it. You want someone else in your life, and you know that you are going to get them. Dried flower fairy, sweet memories. You have sweet memories with that person, okay, but you still don't want them in your life. What is the advice for them? Okay, you have the playfulness card. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine, okay. If you want to have happiness in your life, you have to be like this. You have to talk to them, you have to share your things to them. And with this card, forgiving and learning, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Yes, I think you have to release that thing, that thinkings, that bad thinkings about them. If you release them, you, maybe you are not going to separate, you both are not going to separate. If you don't release that thing, you are going to be divorced, I think so. And those who already had separated from each other, already had divorce, already divorced. You have to forgive with that person, so you can experience more love in your life. Okay, that's the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Like, share, subscribe this reading. And if you want to know more about this situation, then please go and check my previous readings, or subscribe and press the bell icon, and you can watch uh, my readings in future. Okay. Okay. Now, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye.